up, you guys? So today is Sunday and I was supposed to record yesterday. Well, first and foremost, your girl is on a cruise ship. I'm on the Mariner of the Seas. This is Royal Caribbean. I'm on a 5-day cruise ship. I got here yesterday, which makes today day 2. I didn't record yesterday because there was a lot going on trying to get on the ship, pack, and literally we pulled off at 4 and my bag did not arrive until 3:55. So I was a little antsy about that because I didn't want to pull off and I have my bag. I'm actually dressed because I'm about to head to the pool. And I did a TikTok, so follow your girl on TikTok at ChariceJoNail so you can see that video and comment. It's now 5:35 and your girl is hungry, so I actually want to get some food and then go to the pool. On the agenda today, I know me and my mom want to watch the movie Nope, which is playing on the pool deck at... What time is the movie playing? 9 o'clock. Okay, so they're playing at 9 o'clock. First and foremost, Mariner of the Seas. I will give this a good 6 out of 10, 5 out of 10. Only because it's an older ship and it's not fully updated. But let me show you guys my room. So these are the beds. Don't mind the bed because, like I said, I'm recording. Look at the couches. Couches is very much given dirty, but it is what it is. This is where I do my makeup. And so the view, we don't have a balcony, but I think they call it a promenade or whatever it is called. But you can see other people's rooms and a little entrance. Earlier today, they had a silence headphone party that they had right here. But now right here is like a couple of shops, bars, stuff like that. Let me show you guys the bathroom. Hey. Let me show you guys. Oh, fuck. TV. Mirror. What's up, like that? The bathroom. Like I told y'all, they did not update this ship yet. So they got these doors here. Bathroom. And walk-in closet. So being that it is a 5-day cruise, we're doing 3 stops, I think it is, because today we out on sea, but tomorrow we stop at Cozumel. Yeah, I'm sorry, I had not been drinking. I just got a lot of energy. But we're gonna go watch this movie and then I'm gonna call it a night, to be honest. I need to get some footage for tonight and also some Instagram pictures, and hence that's what your girl bought her tripod. So if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you follow me on Instagram at ChariceJoNail and like my pictures. Like, if you're not liking my pictures, what are you doing?
The next day.
You guys, so today is day 3. Oh, let me see. Today is day 3 of our trip. Yesterday I didn't really get to record much. We ended up going to see the movie Nope on the pool deck, which was horrible. We love the actors in the movie, but we just didn't like the movie. So now for today's agenda, we are going to go on the
water slides.
The water slides. We're gonna do the water slides and we're gonna do rock climbing also today. I don't know if we're gonna do ice skating. I have to see if we can sign up to do that.
And tell them you're too scared to do the flow rider.
No, my mom is scared to do the flow rider because these old people on this ship is outdoing her. We just saw this lady standing up surfing and she looked like she was over 50.
First of all, I'm not old.
She looked like she was over 50 doing it. And yesterday was a man who was doing it. So today we just want to go explore the ship. We're not getting off because we're at Cozumel. We've been to Cozumel before.
Cozumel?
Cozumel. We've been to Cozumel, Mexico before, so we're not getting off the ship. We just want to explore the ship and have some fun today, and I'm going to bring you guys along for that. So we're about to go eat breakfast and then head to the water park. Gotta get on the water slide. So guys, we went on the water slide and it was fun, but the only thing was I couldn't bring my camera, so that kind of sucked. We had fun. So then we tried to do the flow rider. I can't get on the flow rider until 4 o'clock because right now it's for the advanced people and I'm not advanced. So I will catch back with you guys later. Hey y'all, so we are back from the water slide and then we ended up going to the pool because the flow rider isn't open until 3 and it is 2:08. As we was at the pool, we took us a quick little nap because we were so exhausted from eating and from the water slide that we went in the pool literally for a hot second and just got out the pool and slept on the side in the chairs. I'm really upset that I couldn't bring my camera because the water slides was so much fun. My mom was scared, but my girl did it. She did it, so thumbs up to you, Mom. Right now we are getting dressed currently and we are about to go rock climbing. What's up, you guys? So today is day 4. On today's agenda today, me and my mama, we're gonna go to the ice skating show at 3:15 and it's exactly 2:14, so we got an hour. We just finished eating and taking my photos for Instagram and also recorded a TikTok. So make sure you follow your girl at Sharice Jonelle. I feel like I'm in the mood for some ice cream. I don't know yet, but I kind of want a nap. Other than that, what are we doing today? Oh, we're going to see the movie Top Gun. It's the first one, right?
No, Top Gun Maverick.
Top Gun Maverick. They're playing it in the theater. Yesterday was our first time going to the theater. They had a comedy show and the comedian, he was actually funny. I don't remember his name, but I will let you guys know in case you guys want to check him out when you get on the Royal Caribbean. Other than that, it's going to be a pretty much chill day because tomorrow we arrive Perfect Day Coco K and we are getting off the ship. Ooh. And we are getting off the ship, so tonight we are going to call it an early night because we are getting off. We're going to do some adventures tomorrow. My mom don't think we are, but we are. Famous ice cream spot. This is where I go to get ice cream literally every single day, y'all. And it's always vanilla. So today is day 5 and we are at the Perfect Day of Coco K. Let me show you guys my outfit. Perfect Day at, I said Perfect Day at Coco K. Perfect Day at Coco K, guys. This is the look. Ew, little split. Big hat, big body things, and of course the purse to match. We are about to head off the ship, and I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. This is our first time going to Perfect Day at Coco Cay. So running a little late because I did have to film a TikTok, so make sure you guys are following me at Sharice Jonelle. Once again, check out the fit. Mom, with your feet. All right, guys, we head off the ship.
Okay, let's pull that here for only items for all of us. So once you're ready to go ashore.
Hey you guys, sorry that I'm being very much lazy right now. We've been back from Perfect Day at Coco Cay for like a few hours already. We've been took off. Pretty much I'm exhausted. I have a headache. My mom has a headache, and we have to pack because we're getting off the ship tomorrow. So that's pretty much for this vlog. I'm going to end it here because I need to get some rest. We have to get up early to get off the ship, and your girl is very much tired. So I will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.